Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream yellow color. Cream yellow is a beautiful, soft, and warm hue that adds a gentle touch to any project. It's essentially a blend of yellow with a hint of white and a tiny touch of red. Getting the balance just right is key to achieving that perfect, inviting shade. We'll go through the steps to mix it perfectly. To begin, you'll need your primary colors. Start with a generous amount of pure yellow paint as your base. Next, gradually add white paint, perhaps starting with a 1/4 ratio to your yellow to lighten the shade. Finally, introduce a very small drop of red, like 1/8 of a teaspoon, to infuse that characteristic warmth. Mix well after each addition. When mixing, use a palette knife or a sturdy stick to ensure an even blend. Remember to add your colors in very small increments. For instance, a tiny drop of red or a 1/4 teaspoon of white can make a big difference. Continuously compare your evolving mix to a sample of your desired cream yellow. Adjust by adding more yellow, white, or red until you achieve the perfect hue. For best results, always mix a slightly larger batch of cream yellow than you anticipate needing to avoid running out mid-project. Before applying it to your main surface, test your mixed color on a scrap piece to ensure it's exactly what you envision. Make a note of your color ratios for easy replication later. Finally, always check your color in natural light, as it reveals the truest hue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.